Hi children, welcome to today's class. I think you are ready for the class. If you are not ready for the class, you have to ready for the class, take your textbook and all the materials and watch this video 3 times and understand it. After that, open your textbook and read many times today's portion and underline important points, then do given works. Okay, like that you have to go, then only you can study. Okay, I think all are happy. So take care. We can go to our class.
Okay, children, today we can start a new lesson that is from your geography, fourth chapter, chapter named Air. Our Earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. All living beings on this Earth depend on the atmosphere for their survival. It provides us the air we breathe and protect us from the harmful effects of the sun rays. Without this blanket of protection, we would be baked alive by the heat of the sun during day and get frozen during night. So, it is this mass of air that has made the temperature on the earth livable. Composition of the atmosphere. Children, do you know that the air we take in while breathing is actually a mixture of many gases? Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon, and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. From this diagram, you can understand composition of the atmosphere. Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon, and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. So, look at the diagram and understand it. Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the air. When we inhale, we take some amount of nitrogen into our lungs and exhale it. But plants need nitrogen for their survival. They cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. Bacteria that live in the soil and roots of some plants take nitrogen from the air and change its form so that plants can use it. Oxygen. Oxygen is the second most plentiful or abundant gases in the air. Oxygen is also called life gas. Oxygen is heavier than nitrogen but lighter than carbon dioxide. Concentration of oxygen is 20.94%. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. In this way, oxygen content in the air remains constant. If we cut trees, then this balance gets disturbed. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is another important gas. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Humans or animals release carbon dioxide. The amount of carbon dioxide released by humans or animals seems to be equal to the amount used by the plants, which make a perfect balance. However, the balance is upset by burning of fuels such as coal and oil. They add billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere each year. As a result, the increased volume of carbon dioxide is affecting the Earth's weather and climate. Children, do you know? Carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect by trapping the heat radiated from the Earth. It is therefore called a greenhouse gas, and without it, the Earth would have been too cold to live in. However, when its level in the atmosphere increases due to factory smoke or car fumes, the heat retained increases the temperature of the earth. This is called global warming. This rise in temperature causes the snow in coldest parts of the world to melt. As a result, the sea level rises, causing floods in the coastal areas. There may be drastic changes in the climate of a place, leading to extinction of some plants and animals in the long run. Okay, children, let us wind up today's class. Thank you for listening this section. And now you have to do your works, read the textbook many times, and watch this video again and again, and do the given works. Okay, thank you.